This is the AI News Flash for March 15th, 11 p.m. UTC. First up, NVIDIA GTC 2026 officially kicks off today in San Jose, with Jensen Huang's 2-hour keynote set for 11 a.m. Pacific Time. According to CNBC's analysis, the big surprise at this year's GTC is that the CPU, not the GPU, is taking center stage. Huang explained that agentic AI systems spawn multiple agents working as teams, causing token generation to go exponential, making the CPU the new bottleneck for inference workloads. NVIDIA's Vera CPU is already deployed at scale in Meta's data centers as a standalone processor, and a CPU-only rack will be exhibited on the GTC showroom floor for the first time. The chip uses a fundamentally different design optimized specifically for data processing and agentic AI workflows, challenging Intel and AMD's dominance. The keynote is expected to unveil details on the Feynman architecture, formally launch the NemoClaw open-source AI agent platform, and provide updates on the Vera Rubin platform. Over 39,000 attendees from 190 countries are participating. Next, The Motley Fool published an analysis on March 15th, predicting that the Iran conflict will fundamentally reshape where AI infrastructure gets built for the rest of 2026 and beyond. The March 1st drone strikes by Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps on AWS facilities in the UAE and Bahrain marked the first time in history that AI data centers became military targets. The report notes that data centers are large, generate massive heat, and are easy targets for infrared-guided missiles and drones. With hyperscale facilities costing up to $1 billion each, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are expected to shift investment away from the Middle East towards Southeastern Europe and India. Brent crude closed at $103 on Friday, making energy costs a structural challenge for AI infrastructure. In other news, GTC 2026 will open with an investor pregame show at 8 a.m. Pacific, featuring some of the world's top AI investors. Sequoia Capital's Alfred Lin, Conviction founder Sarah Guo, and Atreides Management's Gavin Baker will discuss the shift from general purpose to accelerated computing and whether the largest infrastructure build-out in history is sustainable. Hyperscaler AI capital expenditure is projected to reach $690 billion in 2026, with Bloomberg estimating a $3 trillion total over 5 years. Whether this investment pace can continue is the central question among top investors. Finally, this week marks the biggest inflection point for the AI semiconductor sector in 2026. Dow futures rose Sunday evening despite oil prices holding above $100 as markets look ahead to the GTC keynote and Micron's earnings. Micron reports its fiscal Q2 results on March 18th, with revenue expected at $19.15 billion, up 138% year over year. HBM memory is completely sold out through 2026, and DRAM prices are forecast to rise 70% in Q2. The IEA has classified the Strait of Hormuz situation as the largest supply disruption in history, making energy costs the dominant theme for AI markets this week. That's all for this AI News Flash.